Hey guys, today I'm going to be revealing the exact TikTok ad strategy that I use to hit days like these. Now before I get into this video, I want to say that I'm not going to add any extra fluff like a lot of other YouTubers in this niche do. I just want you guys to get your time's worth and get a lot of value in this video. So if you want that, just watch to the end and I guarantee you'll get that. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. It really helps me. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So this ad strategy completely relies on one thing. It's this ad set setting called cost caps. And basically what cost caps allow you to do is tell TikTok how much you want TikTok to spend in order for them to get you a purchase. Now you're probably thinking, how is TikTok able to find buyers at a price that I tell TikTok to find buyers at? It just sounds kind of like a money glitch, right? And in reality, it's not that simple because a lot of the times when you set one of these ad sets or one of these campaigns to run, most of the time TikTok is just not going to spend the money that you want it to spend because it just can't find buyers at the price that you want them to find buyers for your store at. But what I'm going to be revealing with you today is how to actually get TikTok to find buyers at those profitable prices for you. And it all revolves around three things. It's your offer, your creatives, and your store.
And your product, obviously.
Now, in specific, your offer has to be something very, very tempting that you have to pair with a product that you know is already working very well. It has to be something that like a buyer sees and they're just like, wow, like this is such an incredible deal. Like, I have to get this right now. In terms of creatives, you want to do something that I call an urgency style of creative. You basically say, we need all of this product gone in 5 days. So we're doing a buy one, get one free sale. Click the link below and get yours today before you run out. That's pretty much the premises of the creative. That's how you want to structure it. And then on your store, you want to have it very quick and easy to understand with a good description. And you want to just have the whole process just very flowy. And it just makes it extremely easy for the customer to buy, right? So when you have an extremely unforgettable and too good to be true type of offer paired with an urgency style of creative, it's almost like two superpowers at once. It's like you have people coming from a creative that they have the idea that there's only a limited stock left and they have this incredible deal in front of their face, so they're a lot more likely to purchase because there's just so much good stuff being thrown at them at once, and they're just scared that this deal is gonna run out and they're never gonna see it again. So this creates a lot of impulse buys. And this system is the most efficient way to get TikTok to actually spend your money because you're making it extremely easy for TikTok to find you a buyer. Now, if you guys thought that was confusing, leave a comment below, but I'm going to get into the ad strategy and yeah, I'll see you there. I'm now going to get into the actual step-by-step guide on how to create your campaigns, but first I want to go over what campaigns we're making. So we're making a view content campaign, a normal run-of-the-mill ABO complete payment campaign, and then the cost cap campaign. I'm going to explain which campaign does what. The view content campaign is only there to spend money. It's not there to get you purchases. It's just there to get the ad account to start spending money because ad accounts are very weird now on TikTok. And even when you give them money to spend, they won't spend it for some reason. And view content is just very easy to optimize for on TikTok. It's very easy for the TikTok algorithm to optimize for. So they're a lot more likely to spend the money or the budget that you feed to a view content campaign. And what that does is it creates some sort of like a snowball effect with the other campaigns, and it starts getting the other campaigns with a more
Harder for the TikTok algorithm to optimize for type of campaign to start spending the budget that you have allocated towards them.
The purpose of the complete payment campaign is just so you can get purchases normally without the crazy super scale cost cap method. That's just so you can have some sort of consistency on your store. And then the cost caps obviously is so you can hit the crazy 15 20k days that we all strive for. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and press create. It's going to take you over here and you're going to press website conversions. When you're doing ecom, you only want to optimize for website conversions. Like choose this as the objective because none of this will get you purchases. You always want to optimize for this. You're then going to title this VC since this is your view content campaign and just name it after your product. For example, I'm just going to put hoverboard here. Don't change the ad group name too much. It doesn't matter. Go ahead and select the pixel that you have connected to your store, and the optimization event. Of course, we're going for view content. You're going to want to press select placement and tick off these boxes since you only want to advertise on TikTok. You're going to turn off user comment because you don't want any bad comments, and you're going to turn off video download because you don't want any other dropshippers downloading your video. You're going to turn on this. I'll get into that later. And you're going to leave all of this. You're just not going to touch it at all, because basically what you want to do is target as broad as possible, and you want TikTok to do all the work for you. You want their algorithm to find you the buyers. Then you're going to go ahead and put a $20 daily budget. This is the least amount of money you can put as a daily budget for your ad sets. And you're going to go ahead and switch it till the next day. You guys don't want to start running your ads at a later time. You always want to set it for 12 a.m. the next day, because you want all of your ad sets and all the money that you have lined up to spend to, spend equally throughout a whole entire day. So TikTok has the most amount of time to optimize and get you the purchases that you want. Don't worry about this for now. Don't worry about this. And we're just going to go ahead and click next. You're going to add a profile pic, and you're going to, add your name. Your name's going to pop up right here. You're going to upload 3 creatives. So once you have your 3 creatives, you're going to go and add 3 texts.
By the way, those videos are just some random videos that I found on my computer. Your creatives should not look like that.
I like to keep it nice and simple. It doesn't have to be anything too crazy. It can be describing your product. So let's say just something nice and simple, get people to click onto your ad. And then you're going to insert your URL, and this will be the product page of the product you're trying to sell, not the homepage of the store. Make sure it's the product page. I've seen so many people mess up on this. Don't worry about this stuff. So you're going to go ahead and press submit, and it's going to redirect you back to your campaign. Now you have your first campaign, and you have your view content campaign. Remember, this is the thing that's going to get your account spending, not you get you purchases. So now you're going to go ahead and check this box right here. Go to ad groups, and you go to your ad group and copy it into a new campaign, and you're going to put 5 ad sets in this campaign. Now you're going to duplicate it, and the only thing that's going to change here
is changing the name to
complete payment. And then after your product, once again, you're going to press continue. And then the only thing that you're going to change here in this ad group level is you're going to optimize for complete payment. This is, you're optimizing for people to purchase from, on your store. And then you're going to go ahead and switch the time to tomorrow again. I don't know why it does this, but yeah, just switch it till tomorrow. Click next. Now you're going to have your same 3 creatives that you had in your view content campaign. All you did was duplicate, the one ad set that you had in your view content campaign. So all this is going to be the same from the view content campaign. And once you have this, you're going to press submit. And now you have your second campaign. And now we're going to create the cost cap campaign, which is the thing that give you those crazy results. We're going to go ahead and check this box again for the view content campaign. We're going to go to the ad set, press copy, and now you want to go to 10. So you're going to have 10 ad sets in this next campaign. I'll go ahead and create a new campaign. Now you're going to call this cost cap, and then name it after your product again. Again, change the optimization event to complete payment, and switch the time to tomorrow, 12 a.m. And now the daily budget, this is kind of scary, but you're going to make it 2,000. Why? It's not going to spend all of your budget. This is not going to spend the whole $2,000 that you're telling it to. This is going to get TikTok to want to spend more of your money because you have these crazy budgets like this. Typically, when I have like a budget like this and it doesn't spend like crazy and it spends normally, it typically spends like $30 per ad set, even with a budget this crazy. So yeah, and then you're gonna go ahead and press cost cap and start at your profit margin for the product. This is just an example. I'm gonna make it 15 USD. So you're basically telling TikTok you have a max amount of $15 to get me one purchase. You're starting at your break even point. You're gonna go ahead and press next. This is all just a duplicate from your view content ad set. So you're gonna go ahead and press submit. And now you have all 3 of your campaigns. Now, the last step you have is checking the box right here. You want to go to your cost cap campaign, and you're going to see all 10 of your ad sets. And now you're going to change the bid on these ad sets starting at your break even point. So this would be $15, for example. And for each ad set, you're going to go down 50 cents each. So it'd be 14.50. Next one would be 14. And basically, you're gonna go all the way down your ad sets, and your cost cap ad sets should look something like this. So you're basically testing a new bid on each ad set. And yeah, this is pretty much the setup for getting to numbers like I showed you in the beginning of the video. Now, this is the setup I'll typically run just for testing a product, because I like to go straight into craziness, which is what I would call it. Also, remember these bids. So you're telling TikTok here, hey, you have $13.50 to get me a purchase, but that is the if this spends, if this ad set spends properly, TikTok will not spend more than $13.50 to get you a purchase, but it can also spend under that. So what I'll see a lot of the time is when these big ad sets, are really spending, let's say they spend like $1,000, you'll typically have a cost per purchase that's a lot lower than your bid. So for example, here, if I had a bid this high, the cost per purchase would be probably around $8 or $9. And that's a big difference when you're getting 100, 200 purchases. So if that ad strategy goes well for you, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to duplicate that cost cap campaign like over and over and over again. And you just want to milk it as much as you can, because that's what we did for the big product we had in May.
As the days go by, when you're running the strategy, obviously cut any bad ad sets, any unprofitable ad sets or any unprofitable campaigns.
And as you saw, we did a bunch of like 10, 15, 15K days with it. We did 25K day with it. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the ad strategy. If you guys have any more questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll answer every single one of them. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, I know this ad strategy is a little scary because, it is a lot of money throwing at a product, and I get it, but in order to achieve results, those crazy results that you dream of, you have to do stuff like this. It's hard, but it has to be done. But yeah, this strategy was developed over a lot of testing, and this is what we see to work the best, especially on TikTok and this TikTok climate right now. Yeah, but guys, aside from this whole ad strategy, I want to tell you guys, I mean, I'm gonna say this in every single video, but you have to keep on going. To everybody who's watching this video that is in the stage where nothing is working, please keep on going, please. I remember searching online for any sort of motivation when nothing was working for me when I was starting dropshipping, and there was nothing. And I really just want to be there for everybody who's just not succeeding right now. I promise if you keep on going at this, it could take a while, but I promise if you keep on going at it, it will work out for you. Just keep on going. Please keep on going. You got this. So yeah, I mean, like I said, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe if you like this type of content. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.